Welcome back. Now we have completed the design part. Here you can see. Now let's say the admin will actually click here, add doctor. So it should go somewhere, right? So in the action we'll give a route here, and I'll say route, and here I'm going to say the route name, let's say add underscore doctor. I'll say post add doctor. Okay, post add doctor. So now it will actually go the route. So let's create the route. Here we are going to go here, and here I'm going to paste it, the name, and we will copy this get route, and we are going to actually paste it here. Let's change the name post add to add doctors to post add doctors, and the method will be post because the method is post from the form. Here you can see method is post, and then it will go for add doctors. No problem, we don't need to actually change the URL. Then admin controller add doctors. So now it will actually I will actually say here post add doctors. So now copy it, post means later. Okay, post means later. Pre means the previous, and then post means the later. Okay, so we'll go to the admin controller, and here we are going to create another function, that is public function, and the function name. But here we have to mention request because we are getting the field values, so we have to accept through request. And here now we have to create database at first. Sorry, not database, the model, because of the table, right? So for table we need to create a model. So we are going to add doctors table in our database. Here you can see, if I go to the database localhost /php myadmin, and here you can see we have to actually create a table. Okay, that is doctors table, because we have to add it, right? Add all the doctors information in a new table. So we haven't actually created the table. So for this we have to create a model at first. Let's go to the terminal, new terminal, and here I'm going to say php artisan make model. The model name is, let's say it would be doctors. Okay, doctor, and I will give here -m so that it create a migration file also. Let's enter here. Done. Now we'll check in app, then models, then doctors. Here you can see, so we have added the doctor, and then we'll go for the database, then migrations, and here you can see we have doctors table. Okay, now here we are going to add all the column we need. So here I'm going to set $table, and the type would be string and can be nullable. So here we have to mention the column name, and the first column name, let's say doctors name. Then we need what? We need doctor address, maybe phone number, right? I forgot. If I go to the add doctors, here you can see doctor name, yes, doctor phone number. So doctor phone number, and then what? So doctor name, doctor phone number 3 4 3 4 5. Doctor name, doctor's phone, then specialty, then what? Room number. Then doctor emails. Okay, doctor's name, doctor's phone, specialty, room number, doctor emails. And here you can see we have I mean we get all the information from no, so we have all the column here. Now we have to actually go for the migration. So let's go to the terminal, and here we are going to say php artisan make not really, I will say here migrate, because we have to just migrate it to get table here. If I refresh now, you can see we have doctor's table. So here you can see doctor's table. If I go to the structure, and here we'll find doctor name, phone number, specialty, room number, doctor image, and everything. So now we'll go for the, I will now remove this, and then we have here add doctor. So it will actually go for the web.php here, and this is the route name, and it will go for the post add doctors function in admin controller. And here now we'll actually access all the request all the field value from before that. Let's say I want to add a model in a table, and the table name is what, app model. Let's say app, then is models, right, then doctor. So we have to actually import the model here. So I will say use app backslash models backslash I should use here capital letter, right, app backslash models backslash doctor disrespect. Okay, so here we have doctor. Now I'm going to create an instance of the doctor. So table, I'll say doctor. So I'll say new doctor, and here we are going to add all the fields. So doctor disrespect have multiple pages. We'll go there, and let's copy every single column here. Is equal to, we'll say dollar request. Here we have doctor name. So let's copy this, copy for phone number, specialty, then what I forgot is room number, then image, doctor's name, then doctor's phone, right? Yeah, let's go change here phone, doctor's phone. Then we have specialty, so copy it, paste it. Then we have room number, paste it. Now let's talk about the image. So in our database, I'm going to add I don't want to actually upload the real image name. I'll change it to time, okay, with number. So for this we have to actually get the image at first. So I'm going to say here, let's say dollar image is equal to, I'll say this field name. So we have here a field name, and that is doctor image. So I'm going to copy this, and let's go there and paste it here. Okay, doctor's image. So I'm going to say here that dollar request, then doctor image. So we're getting the doctor image. Now I will actually change it to at first with the number. So I have to use here a time function, and that is like, now guys I will check if we have image or not. Let's say so the image field is also nullable, right? Let's say now admin actually don't want to upload the image. Admin will change the image later, so admin actually don't want to upload the image. So we have to check the image is there or not. So I'll check here that if there is any image, then we'll actually enter here, and now I will change the image name. So I'll say image name, let's say image underscore name. I'll say, now I'll use here a time function dot for the concatenation, and here I have to give here a dot sign. Why? Because this will be the extension, and here now I will actually say here get client extension function. So client extension maybe, and now here we have to do is I'll say dollar image get client original extension, Now I have a new name. Now let's say my name will be this one. Okay, my image name will be this one. Now we have to actually add it in the database, right? So now I will say doctor, then we'll mention the column name, and that is Dr. Image, right? Let's copy it, paste it here, is equal to, we'll say dollar image name. And now I'll say that, okay, now we have to actually we cannot actually upload the real image in the database. We may actually only upload the string, right? Only the name. So we have to keep the file in a secure place, right? So we are going to actually create a folder in the public. So let's go for the public folder. Here you can see, and here we are going to create a folder for all project. I'll say let's say project img. So now we will actually, let's say our image, we have the image in the field, and now we will actually add it in the database column. But if it is added in the database column, then what we have to do, we have to actually say here that, okay, now move it. Okay, now move the image to project image. But before that, we have to actually add it in the database, right? I mean, we have added it in the column, but we haven't actually saved the database. I mean, save the result. So I will say here dollar doctor save. Okay, now I will actually say here that if dollar image, I mean, we have the image, okay, and I'll say, and we have, you know, dollar doctor save successfully, then actually I will move the file so to this directory. Okay, so we have to move the file. So now I'll actually move, I'll say dollar request doctor image, doctor disrespect image. I'll say move, okay, and now here I'm going to say that where actually I want to move. So this is the project image, so I'm going to say project img, and here we have to give the the file we are actually added in the database. I mean, we have added in the database. Here you can see the new file name is image name, right? We can actually give here this name. Why? Because let's say I want to fetch the image. So now in our database, the name of the image will be 1 2 3 4 5, right? So we can actually we shouldn't save this image with this name. We should save this name. Okay, I mean, after renaming the name, right? So we have to actually move it. Okay, so we have to say that, okay, go there, but before that we have to actually use a dollar sign, and then maybe we can actually give semicolon to close it. Now I will actually say return redirect back, and we'll actually return with a success message. So I'll say with, and here we have to give a key. Let's say I'll say doctor uct or doctor underscore add message. Here I'm going to say added, doctor added successfully. Let's say doctor added successfully. We have to give a semicolon to close it. And guys, now we have to actually create a session for this, so it will actually return redirect back. It means it will go for the add doctors, and here we are going to create a div at first, and here I'm going to say div, and here we'll actually say here that class bg primary. Okay, here I'm going to say that if we have any session, so I will say if session, and we have any session name, let's say like this. So we are going to actually copy it, paste it here. If we have any session, and here we are going to actually paste it, doctor add message. Oh, okay, so the problem is with this one. I'll actually copy it from here. You can see, copy it, just copy it. Okay, then go for it. That's it. And then let's say respect 422 same 43. Let's go for new image. This one, let's say this guy, let's say I'm going to save it, and now let's say add doctor, and here you can see doctor added successfully. Done. And we'll actually change it. Okay, so it's showing like this, so maybe I can actually give here fixed width, okay, for this. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.